Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a beautiful Friday morning. Uh, let's have a look at what we had yesterday, what we were looking at yesterday. Uh, sorry, I was midway my analysis today and we lost power, so I can't get back to yesterday's analysis, but I had a screenshot of the same. So we'll just walk you through what happened yesterday. For yesterday, we were looking for potential safe sales below this level here. We got the trigger for this. Let's start with the high risk cells. We were looking for high risk cells below this level here. I remember this is for people with a high risk appetite. So if you took this trade here, the confirmation would have been this kind of here. Let me try zoom in. Yep. So this was the confirmation or the trigger for the buys. Wait for retest. You got a retest, then a good rejection. So once I saw this rejection, that was my confluence for this trade. So I placed a sell limit here. My stop loss was just above this level here, above this week here, and I was targeting this 44. It was 44, 44.24. That was my target. So I didn't hit my target. But once we got this once we got this breakout again, I placed my stop loss at break even. I moved my stop loss to break even. Why I did that? It's because you see I've already marked this as a high risk sales. So immediately once I'm in profit, I just move my stop loss to break even here. So that's how I was taken out of the market. The market came down here. It was rejected on the 4 hour. There was a 4 hour fair value gap here, around here. There was a 4 hour fair value gap, got rejected at around 50%, and the market started pushing up. So this is how I was taken out of the market. I wish I had taken my partial profits here. But all in all, it was a break-even trade. So for the potential safe sells, we got the trigger, but the rejection was not. We didn't get the rejection on the upon retest, and you can see the rejection that we got below here was significant. So taking placing a buy limit, a sell limit here without waiting for confirmation for rejection would have been detrimental to your account. So, because if you would have placed this sell limit here, your stop loss, my stop loss would have been above this candle here, or up or on this resistance, this level here. This is where my stop loss would have been. You see, you would have been stopped out. So I didn't take this trade. I only took this one that closed at break even. Uh, After that, I didn't execute any other trade. I was done for the day. So for the high risk buys above, you'd have taken this trade here. Once you got a break above this level here, once you got a break above this level here, giving you this fair value gap. There was this fair value gap on 15 minutes. Yeah, we're even on 15 minutes. There was this fair value gap that we got here. So 50% of the fair value gap, your entry point, stop loss just below the candle that closed above our level. This is where you'd have placed your stop loss and targeted TP1, TP2. And you'd have easily hit that because once you would have been activated here, the market dilly-dallied. Then this morning, boom, TP2 hit. Yeah. Okay. So that would have been a good win for you. For the safe buys, we got this confirmation here. We got this what do you call it? The trigger here, the trigger for buys, the confirmation for buys. We got a retest rejection. So you'd have entered here, but your stop loss would have been very big because considering we had this imbalance down here, uh, it would mean that you did need to place your stop loss all the way down here. So that trade didn't make sense for me. It didn't add up for me. So I was out of the market anyway. So that's how that's yesterday's analysis. So let's look at the calendar today, see what to expect. Today is Friday. I don't like trading on Friday, so this analysis is for you. I'm doing it for you guys. Unless I get an A plus setup, Fridays are not my day. So today, anything high impact on the USD. I'm not concentrating on this because they don't affect the USD. They don't affect the dollar. I'm only looking at the USD. So nothing high impact on the USD today. We only have some high impact data, medium impact data on the USD tomorrow. Trump will be speaking at 2 a.m. Whatever he says, if it affects the market, you'll see the volatility on Monday's open market open on Monday. Okay, so apart from that, keep an eye out for any breaking news. Keep an eye on this page always as you trade through the day. Any breaking news that may cause volatility in the market will be marked in red like this one here. So keep an eye out. Don't get caught on the wrong side of the market. You remember what happened the other day? Was it on Wednesday? People got caught up by the news, and they were liquidated. Most accounts were liquidated. So today, let's start our analysis afresh. I was midway, so let's just remove everything, start afresh, and we start our analysis on the 1 month. We identify our level of resistance and level of support. Our resistance there, support there. On the weekly, we are looking at the support here. We have our resistance up here. On the daily, we are looking at this break of structure here. Same levels we had yesterday. Yesterday's candle closed as a tombstone doji. You can see that it was an indecision candle. The market has not decided whether it wants to continue pushing up or it wants to continue pushing. It wants to reverse and come for this liquidities down here. So that was an indecision candle. So the levels we are looking at today are this. These are our support, daily support, and our daily resistance is up here. This is where price is being rejected currently. So jump down 4 hours. And on 4 hours, we are looking at just at the break above here. So this is our break of structure here. We've got this break of structure here. It's a break of structure there. So the levels we are looking at are this one here. That's our resistance. And this one here is our support. These are for our support. So these are levels we are concentrating on today. Remember what we do when you get to 4 hours. Move that to the body there. Identify this week. Identify this week here as a target. Then move this other body here to sit on the body there. And identify that week there. Jump down to 1 hour. You can see it's a multi-time frame analysis, identifying our levels from the higher time frame down to 30 minutes. So we are on 1 hour here, and on 1 hour we had the structure that was broken here. Was it broken really? No, we don't have a break yet. So we're gonna look at this. This is the last structure. It's an internal structure that was broken here. There's this internal structure that was broken. So we had a break of structure there. So this is our resistance. Now you can do away with this. Delete this. This is our 1 hour resistance. And this is our 1 hour support. And our support is down there. We are done with the 1 hour time frame. We jump down to 30 minutes. And on 30 minutes now, this is where we have this break here. We have this break of structure here. You can see how we do a multi-time frame analysis from higher time frames, narrow it down to your ideal time frame. And my ideal time frame is 30 minutes. I don't like to go below 30 minutes. So this was our break of structure here. And this is our resistance here on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, we have this resistance here. So what we're going to do is where we are going to frame our entries, levels, points of interest, and this is our point of interest here. If we get a good break above this level here with good bullish momentum, that's a good place for potential buys, not sells. Potential buys above. If we get a good break above there, and then bring this one to the body here. So here, if we get a good break below this level here, is a good area to be selling from. Potential sells below. Is the ATM candle? Yeah, we are good. We are good. We are good. We're good there. Let's just peep what we have on 15 minutes and 15 minutes. We still have the same levels here on 15 minutes. I did want to look at, concentrate on, focus on this internal structure here. So let's just deal with this swing structure here. The main structure on 30 minutes. So if we get a break below here, a good break below here, then we'll be looking to push the market down to about, let's see, you could push the market down, stop loss just above that resistance there. Could push the market down. Remember, today is Friday, so yeah, that's a good place to push the market to. If we get the buys, I want to push a buy from here, take a buy from here, stop loss just below that this level here, and push it up to that level there. So that's a risk reward of 3.4, which is good for a Friday evening. So that's what I'll be looking at today. And this area here will be a no trade zone for me. No trades within that level there. So if we get a good break above here, I might take this buy here. It looks like a good buy to take. If we get a good break below this level here, then this is my TP1 and TP2 around here. Okay, I wouldn't want to push it all the way down here, is because let's see on 4 hours. Remember, I like to target liquidity on 4 hours. So yeah, this is what we have. 4 hour, we had a break of structure here on 4 hour. So if we break above this level here, this is the next level I'm looking at on 4 hours. I don't think we have any other. Yeah, if we get a break above that level there, then that's where I'd want to push the market to. Can have that one there. So this is what I'll be looking at today. And if we get a break below this level here, then I would be looking to take my TP1 here and TP2 here, because this would be a retracement to get the liquidity here, then push up. So I'll be looking for a trade from this level here to this level here, or a trade from this level here. If you don't get this trade, then this is the trade I'm going to be focusing on. Okay, so that's it for today. Remember, guys, always trade what you see, not what you think. Make risk management your closest ally in this game. And this is not financial advice to trade. Before executing your positions, kindly perform your own, do your own research, and Trade responsibly. Trading carries a significant risk, and you could easily lose your capital. Okay, so trade responsibly. Trade responsibly, guys. I'm out. Happy hunting, guys. See you on Monday. Ciao.